Tip 86. Comparative adjectives. Compare two things adding er or using more than. One syllable adjectives. Add er. Example. Tall becomes taller. Shorter, 3. Taller, 3. Two-syllable adjectives ending in y. Change y to I and add er. Example. Happy becomes happier. Happier boy. Adjectives with 3 or more syllables. Always use more. Example. Expensive becomes more expensive. More expensive dress. Tip 86. Exercise. Complete. John is taller than his brother. The blue car is more expensive than the red one. The green skirt is shorter than the red one. My house is bigger than yours. I'm feeling happier now. Please subscribe to the channel not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.